Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at how to essentially simplify this trigonometric identity, or basically fraction. Firstly, I've circled the cosinus square of x because I'd like you to pay attention to that. There's a 1 and a cosinus square of x. Now, if you guys remember, cosinus square of x plus the sinus square of x is equal to 1. By bringing cosinus square of x to the other side, we can get sinus square of x is equal to 1 minus cosinus square of x. Thus, if we rearrange the nominator of this fraction, we can write sinus of x plus 1 minus cosinus square of x over 1 plus sinus of x. Now we can clearly see that 1 minus cosinus square of x can be simplified into sinus square of x. Thus, we can write the denominator as sinus of x plus sinus square of x divided by 1 plus sinus of x. Now, on the top, we can clearly factorize out of basically a common term, which is sinus of x. And if we factorize out of sinus of x, we're going to get 1 plus sinus of x divided by 1 plus sinus of x. All right, now if you don't understand the factorizing part, you just have to see if you're bringing sinus of x out of sinus of x plus sinus of square of x, you're obviously getting rid of the sinus of x, and so sinus times 1 gives you sinus of x, and sinus of x times sinus of x gives you sinus of x squared. So we can then cancel these two parts and write sinus of x, which is our simplified answer. Thank you for watching and good luck.